बंगालचे खाडीत उत्तर पश्चिमी वाठारात कमी दाबाचो पट्टो तयार जाल्ल्यान गोंयाक मोठ्या उटंगराची शिटकावणी. 22 जुलयाक रेड अलर्ट जाल्यार 23 आनी 24 जुलयाक ऑरेंज अलर्ट. 25 आनी 26 येलो अलर्ट दिला. वादळी वाऱ्या सयत उटंगराची शिटकावणी. महाराष्ट्राच्या रत्नागिरीत चिपळूणा लागसर अशी परिस्थिती. नजर मारीत थंय बुडटी. वसिष्ठी न्हंयक डेंजर मार्का मेरेन हुंवार. रेल्वे ट्रॅक बुडल्यात. ताका लागून गोंयांत येवपी रेल्वे धरून पुराय पश्चिमी वाठारात कोकण रेल्वेचे वेळापत्रक हल्ला. प्रवाशांची सुरक्षा मतीन धरून कोकण रेल्वेन थोड्यो ट्रेनी रद्द केल्यात, थोड्यो दुसऱ्या रुटान धाडल्यो.
I'll tell about cancelled trains. Train number 02119 CSMT Karmali Tejas Express, which had left today morning in CSMT, was terminated at Roha and further cancelled. 02120 Karmali CSMT Tejas Express, which was supposed to leave today from Karmali, has been cancelled. Train number 01152 Madgaon CSMT Jan Shatabdi Special of today's, which was supposed to leave Madgaon, has been cancelled fully. Train number 02618 Nizamuddin Ernakulam Special, which had left Nizamuddin yesterday, is diverted via Manmad, Pune, Miraj, Londa, Madgaon and further on proper route. It is diverted because of landslide in Central Railway. Train number 06338 Ernakulam Oka Special, which has left Ernakulam yesterday, is diverted via Madgaon, Londa, Miraj, Down, Manmad, Jalgaon, Udna and further on proper route. Then some of the trains have been rescheduled. Train number 06345 Lokmanya Tilak Tiruvananthapuram Special of today is rescheduled ex Lokmanya Tilak. Then some of the trains have been regulated at various stations. 02617 up, and that is Ernakulam Nizamuddin is regulated at Sangmeshwar. Then 01134 up, that is Mangalore Junction CSMT, has been regulated at Kamte station. 01003 down at Chiplun station. 04695 down at Ratnagiri station. 06346 at Villavde station. 06001 at Madgaon. 01151 down at Divankoti since morning.
फोंड्या खडपा बांदार सुमार 25 मीटर लांब राखणे वणट कोसळ्ळी. एके बिल्डिंगे खातीर ती बांदिल्ली. आतां थंयचे लोक सरकारान ती बांदून दिवची म्हूण मागतात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.